cream or the peach good? Oh, Gracie. Why aren't you eating any peaches? You're so sweet. Oh, here comes the boss. Old teddy bear. Theodore. What is it, eh? Hello. By mommy. Hi, Millie. Gracie, how's the babies doing? How's your babies? You got big old babies. How you doing? Good girl.
Millie, was that peach good?
I think they like the peaches.
What was left of them?
Oh, that's not nice. Goodness.
How do you feel about your mom being pregnant again?
Teddy, is that peach good? Is it good? What are you doing, Lulu? Lulu wanted some peach here. Here, you want some peaches? Here, wee wee. Go away. I'm trying to give it to somebody else. Gracie, you want a peach? Oh, Arlo's eating the peach. Oh, look at you. Marshmallow. Eating the peach. Marshmallow, you like the peach? Oh, bitey ant. Ow, bitey ant. Hey, Grace. You come for some back scratches? I got peaches on my feet. Anything scratchies? You're so pregnant.
What you running away from me for?
She doesn't want you. She can't, babe.
Bonnie!
Lulu's like, don't mess with my sister.